Okay, so now turn the gain button all the way down. So let's see, because I'm going to see if that works. I also turned the pan button to the halfway point. So I'm going to turn down also the lows, the highs, and the mids all the way down to 0. And I'm also turning the FX button all the way down to 0. So everything is turned down to 0. So everything is turned down to 0 right now. Okay, here we go. Everything is turned down to 0 right now. So let's check it out. Now that everything is down to 0, I'm going to see how that how that sounds, and see if we can get rid of some of that distortion there that I'm hearing. And then we shall see if I can start increasing some of these things, or if I even need to increase some of these things. Okay.